Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation for late 2023, actually for the second part of December, for Fantom Crypto. We're actually looking for a project that has not been performing too well in the past couple of weeks, yet its charts are looking very good, so the price prediction is going to be really enthusiastic around the topic. Fantom has potential at a large scale. So looking forward to find out based on what backs up my sentences and facts. There is information on the market that are pretty much clear, which I'm trying to portray in the most rational way possible at a very beginner's level to have everyone understanding the topics. We can do technicals at intermediate or advanced levels as well. So that's something that we are performing when it comes down to trading. Now we have 100 videos for our episodes for price predictions of 2024 out here. Make sure to check that out as well on my YouTube channel. 100 different cryptocurrencies for predicting on 2024. We're already at episode number 7 with Solana. You can check that out. You definitely want to see that and have a good run on the market. If you would like to be part of my trades as well, no prior fee, only commission based on profits made. So this is an option based on performance we achieve. And basically the trading is completely outsourced. We're trading through API trading permission. Option number 2 is where you can execute signals by yourself and handle the process. That comes in as a monthly fixed fee. As well is the one-on-one coaching program. For those of you which are serious about this business, you can watch the video in a detailed explanation, register now for a free conversation with me, or watch this one till the end. I'm going to start explaining how this one-on-one coaching program works with me. Now, Fantom, a cryptocurrency which was pretty much popular around my inbox area. People drop me messages. My students as well ask me. People I'm working with for trading is also on the topic. Fantom is a project that is still considered a sleeping giant. Just like I said, community expected much more. So the honesty side is basically 50 days, 140%. Community did expect it much more. Why is it much more? Well, the 140% is definitely not going to disappoint anyone. Considering this specific bullish rally we had at the beginning of 2023, people pretty much portrayed that somehow we should repeat that or actually do even better. We got in 34 days 228%. Now you understand why do I say some of those guys are pretty much disappointed or not at the level of expectation and satisfaction they are most likely imagining. And this is a great topic to actually portray. We need to be very realistic on these things, guys. How on earth can we expect the market to deliver the level of greatness and satisfaction we assume we must have at some point? How on earth do we expect the market is actually fulfilling those things to us? And why? I gotta pause here because you must think about. Just because it did something in the past, it doesn't have to repeat it exactly in the same way in the future. Just because you're looking at the future at some point and you draw a line and you say, well, today I want to see those results. If I don't see them, I'm going to blame. I'm going to call out bad mouthing. I'm going to trigger bearishness. This isn't how the reality looks like when it comes down to be professional, open-minded, and skillful around your details. So when it comes down to Fantom, I'm telling you guys, it's not in a bad shape. It's still under some pressure of the bidders because the accumulation stage and the crypto winter has been tough for Fantom. It has not been one of those most comfortable ones. But at the end of the day, our moving averages broke out of the trending line of the environment, an environment which has been established at that time, and we actually broke out 280 days after. And we established basically a retest of that. So I'd like to zoom into the charts, folks, and be able to talk. Let me just bear with me for a second. We're going to do it this way. You're going to see it this way. So we retested basically the breakout right here in an amazing shape. That was the time a lot of the people got into Fantom. So we were able basically to move the price action into the first major supply level we need to deal with. We didn't broke out yet. It's located between 40 up to 45 cents. And we're still dealing with a zigzag of massive liquidity located at this range, especially that Bitcoin is suffering during these days. So you got into that phase of the market when BTC is also retracing, which is why Fantom as well is pretty much stuck at this level under supply. Just like I said, we broke out with all the moving averages above the trending line. This is a great indication. One thing still has to be changed is 100 days must be above 200 days, which is not yet. So the light blue line above the darker blue line, it has to cross that. One thing has been done, the golden cross, 50 above 200, the orange above the blue. That's beautiful. Yet still for the last couple of weeks, actually 2 weeks of December, expecting basically to retest the encircled area where is a massive liquidity hiding, and it is an amazing place to be right before the 2024 starts. Due to the fact that you're going to clear the whole picture and structure of the market has below 40 cents, and your major 40 cent supply will be transformed into your massive demand level. So your supply from there will become your massive demand level. Along the way with the golden pocket, you guys can push very nicely. So 65-70 cents right there in the tops are also finding ourselves with a massive war. It's just waiting for us right there. You know how the armies are doing, basically drawing the lines and then they're waiting for you on the field. It's called the battlefield of 60 to 70 cents, about 10% right there. These are all massive zones where there's such high volatility because of the massive previous price action. Historically speaking, they are pretty much confirmed like that. About 2024, well, I need to put out the episode. You need to subscribe to the channel and check for that one as well on Fantom. Price prediction for the upcoming year. We just have about 2 days and we're diving into the 2024, which is going to be a year preparing the bull market. A bull market which is going to enter in an accelerated phase in 2025. So these are all things and numbers that you need to prepare, organize, and make sure you're actually on the smartest direction possible for your financial career, financial freedom, financial capabilities, and the way you organize your life. Very important, guys. As you see, my YouTube channel, my YouTube videos are not just about indication here or there, the index, the RSI, the MACD, all the bullshit, bull crap that usually you can hear about. No, it's discussion a little more broader that helps people in many ways, and actually it opens their mind even with this couple of minutes that we're actually spending together. Hopefully you have a benefit out of this. If so, like the video and subscribe to the channel and enjoy basically the upcoming materials as well. If you think it's something for you interesting, participate in my trades, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. It's a time based on performance, commissions I pay by you every 7 days. You can ask me more details on the topic, as well as you can basically join the coaching program. This is the comprehensive and important thing. In a detailed way, there is the video explaining how does it work. And by the way, you can jump on a quick call with me if you're serious about a topic. And then we have basically a coaching live on Zoom conversations where I'm taking you through the whole process that I'm doing in order to proceed in trading, right? So it's been around since 2014 that I've been forming cryptocurrency trading full time. And I've learned a lot. So from the psychology and mindset towards the ultimate details on the indicators, strategies, and ways that are actually working. There's ways that you can test for months and let me see if the strategy works or the other, but there's actually already for me ways that are completely working. Great, beautiful. Have a good time, folks. Jump on a quick call, subscribe, like the video, and ask me questions in the comments area. Let me know what do you think about Fantom. Have a good time. We'll talk to you soon.